ne Monday no mombe ba nyina ba no muhia ne preseason ko sha se no bia so nsa kan sika scan de obi ansa carry obi ai bibi but me say team nim no emu acheche kakra ho say bi 2 years as omo hu captain no training na no mo ye mo some star bi ni ade but there is a purported staff also between the management and the player baby amimiti abudiabi say ye no kre say player na yes no say ye no kre say player na yes no me ankasa na have my doubt about that. And sometimes we need to be very fair in terms of assuming for the encofobicity drain in terms of decision making. And as a player, no more any relationship with Dr. Kwame, a hard drink akra. Yes, a hard drink akra.
Serious.
Yes.
I want to hear what
Bishop.
you want to say here.
Bishop, oh, you know where I'm because
I don't know. Dr. Kwame China no boche. So be of that capito ne boche the common relationship there say.
Abu capito ni boche relationship the politics of Kumasi Asante Kotoko always has its own way.
Akomia say
Abu we are yet no mpa no krani nyame ni mpa yet no mpa no. We cannot fully convince yanga say the board chairman any management and penya o da management ano omuntem go.
Ati ano e fine ba be see Gani you there no so.
Sir CEO Eben players CEO ni omo na day-to-day activities is about the CEO.
Yeah.
The moment there is a closer relationship between one person and the other, you know politics and how it works.
No, I don't understand.
Abu, what
tell me about? Me accept na kan no. My team for the all.
Akomia what experience? Me ba me can say me.
Me experience dey.
What me can say experience bi me mo bi edi.
Ti dem me so dem akomia dey team. Team. Uze I was so chassis. Na me nya dia mama no nsi. Dia me pese me tiase ye ni say ye wo hai. Na ebia me being a captain for Asante Kotoko. Na bishop na ye board chairman. Me nya access to no create privilege de mami o. Because me penyini.
Yeah.
Do obi mo mpesa ade no. Ba ze ya vanze wo na wo ye si wo no board chairman na me ye captain na ono na ye board team no always so me ni ye fia no ba benya nsusanso o me board nim.
Abu in the setting of Kumasi Asante Kotoko the omu city ti woni the omu city omo adwuma no. CEO any board chairman omu ntemungo because CEO feel say board chairman ye nyoma bi a sorry editia omu dwumadi omu di in terms of sabotaging.
Agomia matime da se. Why? Me nim say we are. Agomia
I say
Ocha yambo a
ya beto. Ocha ma beto so. Ba ba bi ejina no. E me say player na ankasa na dia kotum. It is not the management who is sacking the player. But already the relationship with the player and any nyoma ekokoso ni player and responses ni how onu so lead charge in terms of player salaries ni all of these things. Ele kasa twetwe bi e ba mu ni gidie bi eni ba bi na. Player na atena so no hwe no obeka say ana about 2 years or sign 2 years na dem akotoko abomu 1 year ka 1 year.
Mate, me shall say if you bishop na ma hwe bishop. Gama so no me shall say if you team him Eduana Football Club.
Ah, fantastic.
Na omoma ye hwe ene update na e ba no.
Number 1, when I started free number 1.
Eduana. Say season no baby a obia be ye we.
Fantastic.
But I say we no ye. Omo a I say ashoking comfort so for now omo kwakwa jama boy ba Eduana anyambo anwumre nkundu ye we onza na ma ye bibi.
Oh no bibi kan.
Bibi be kan. Nti ye was Sarata Bas Mona.
Solid center back from
11 wonders and I was joining more. And I was Steven Anochi Bedu. Anochi Bedu am a former player. Atroni, former U20 center back.
Derek Afferson.
Yeah.
Chronic knee problem. It's a more center back knee in iron crack.
Oh, okay.
He'll be our experienced head. Now her ball now or ball Chelsea last season now. When you put measures in place of a ball.
Tinamodi Anochi Bedu aba. And you Isaac Minta dia no na em wa kakra because boy we office e call no pa matima twini radoma inkro no yo we na kotokone media mamu ne house mu nyina di achu
bia so pe bia so e pe bi
na mo so mo ko fai mo de mo na beche Richard Mahama
young prolific striker
from Recruitment. Richard Mahama a fine player me amahre no Akwesi Mensa Gable their friend Taribo yeah our high school
Sekotoko si Chifa Nicholas Mensah no. And you see how much Kumasi fa Taribo.
So high school boy. Tiamas.
Gazali who na just say I register.
Na mo de na call ya. Just to suchi.
From Wafa.
So Jaman Wafa. Waba. Omo man nko enimu ya mame Accra Heart folk. But we no joining now here me pacho Fatu to wait me join here Sompa 93.1 on Facebook. No about but list when here some key ones be a person muhu. After no ya babo mo de na watch na registered players ni nyina yere ababa babaze. Your Prince Akwesi Damang we oko TP Mazembe so abu ejuma dama Don Bosco soda. Ene wo Eric Eso Ashanti Good Eric Ofoyentwi Alawa so no abu ejuma de ma Legon Cities. Emza Alawa so this Bishop wada Barcelona da Real Madrid Ghana ha asan da Atletico Madrid ka asan de Sevilla so account onia CV no so efe pa me o Junior Kaba fi Cameroon e bae ena Zakaria Yakubu so no abu ejuma de ma Pseudo All Blacks. Steven Owusu Banahene World Best former Ashanti Good. Yeah, no. Sa.
But there's the expectation say be doing the beyond sa.
Obejuniors. You wakra. Yes, you no need no a contract no. Duration no na asa mana ye.
Say dey na koso with Kene no sa antino. Yeah, is the length of the contract that.
Yeah, no na mana ye kakra.
We are very much impressed with Eric Shaw there.
Yeah.
It's a very good sign.
And the case of Boasin will be a hobby. There's only one code.
They say they're watching Kinsey.
No, they himself players, Papa.
Yeah, was a players, Papa. They be watching Kinsey.
Will be a cobwasi.
And not back on my fana.
You are crying.
I'm away on what
them say so.
Hey, Chaman, to Mode sa de Makeko.
Macabako joy.
Macabako.
Our mamma Crobia Kumasi outside Tikotoko. Na let's know nini Nicholas Mensah be your Mickey one fine ring bibia
Mickey goes
Mickey that Samako oga team no Mickey that Samako na Japan FIBA the Omasen Akofa Mickey dey me am Heneda a very fine player young player ojinai wona utumu sampa ano edempa Thomas Pele Moses Poati near wo Sergi Zeze Ferry Kasai, Enoch Morrison, Stephen Mukwala, Enes Osepoku, na Sheriff Mohammed. Enyumere kompem no na bima baba be join team no. Anwuzi no mu didi di nkoma se dodo na abesia aba be wram ne o maye adwuma. Amon famen ko Mediama so mo list no wa pa. Na Mediama so mo list na Kwadwamo Akon formerly of Ashanti Gold Kofi Mensah, Ashanti Gold Ishmael Hammond, from Boatina Pia Kubi, Derry Fojo, Nuruddin Abdullah, Ereo Mohammed Hafiz. Eti omonso ramu ye dwuma timi ere mo Kim Pfizer. Na Kim Pfizer bi join inside na corner we na wan sim years Kim Pfizer. Na on my list no George Osei Amponsa formerly 11 wonders.
Yeah.
Wa join Kim Pfizer.
Osei Amponsa edi nkomo with Ashanti Gold Stars.
Yeah, wa join Kim Pfizer.
That's good.
I join Kim Pfizer na Abed Nego Tete. Abed so I join Kim Pfizer. Godfrey Siama.
Fantastic.
Suraj Ibrahim Idrusu na work Kano Pillars no that goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Wasiaba. Joseph Adujomo last season 11 wonders from center back we against Kotoko and Kofobe Kaina. Or no na nya MVP na modern na nipa. Yo Daniel Jackson. Another Patrick Razak Bibian Komone Duno. Razak can find the Jinabe say 50% chance on betting me signing no. And you know only the no bibi da hono. Ti no nye confirm. Em friend ko isi ateman. Isi ateman na fi no maba Bishop. So ateman signing them is a fi isi atebe de pa. Baba Mahama, football president. Baba Mahama, Richard Akrufi, Ferry Boatin Obinim sticker. Tauri Kafunon. And all Kwabena Kalala same na last time na Okano.
Kalala.
And Amos Yabwa say Mamudu. Ononsi Yabukina ni.
Fantastic.
And Niwa Baba Bi Ramo. Et your monfa yenfi ono so na yenko yanimna yenko kwesere niema city. Prekum Chelsea. Na Prekum Chelsea ni Bishop. Ama ye sign is here pa. Afriye Mishak, Kusi Pedros, Emmanuel Edu. Last season na Arsenal sinimu ono. Kusi Pedros ne Richard Mahama. Ene ebo afi oma ton mami ni na no number one goalkeeper Adusu aba Chelsea.
Wow.
Kalu Watara, Awa Dramani. One player he discovered in the last season.
One player I'm really looking forward to see in the Premier League.
Awa Dramani.
Yeah, holding ball.
And I say na no da ikro mu game mo ball against Mediama no. Awa Dramani. One shy bubi na esi Mishak no. Obo ye
Bukwari Park no so. Obi in country. And omo ye team omo ye fit. Omo ye training na che preseason no. Say o team bi omo ye preseason na mo body na nwin pa omo. Flavio Kwasi Kongoza.
Kongoza. Oko Egypt wasan aba. Di Flavio die no eno so yi kakra on but on team no. Any training. Ti bi ono so enwumre no. On be wie ne de na Francopon. Ti omo yam fan ko na ye hwe. Tamale City.
About special Mobile League in Mufufro. Since I remind you now, no, me can't want them say the kind of players who are to Tonomonia very careful.
Bahas are enough FM.
I don't see your Israel, Colony. Bishop onye Ghanaian.
Israel colony.
Colony Ghanaian. And your Gabriel no Dakpa. And also onye Ghanaian. Your Isa Yabila. Joseph Kwache, we don't want Kwache. Kwache na boy unity almost center by that Rasta guy. Last is your joining Crowns and Warriors. Today so no Remo Tamalis ni o Gideon a champion. The Tamalis city no. Omo you know. Omo di oma manya ntia crazy other countries no so bi mo be join omo. Real Tamale United. Na ati you the name is there players ni bi mo nka no move sister ni no masan kwatwe omo abeshim. Bohum. Ati you the no.
Steven Bedu Dankwa.
Yeah, Steven Bedu Dankwa bia na odidi na nkomo so okọ. E de na be shima na yo aba you be bia. Oh yeah sure. Za. Acquire them. Abdulmanaf Umar. Former Hartlefolk. Yeah.
And Michel Sapong too did well with Elmina Sharks.
And also
despite say Omoko relegation. Now a one fine player within that setup. I think I'll see you.
And Brikum Chelsea, I'm right back, George Rinchi. No, so I join you more. I join you more, no more Baba Be Jumanona, Abuana Niamaku Yepa, Etimi Ede Amomo. Na Bibiani Go Stars. Bibiani Go Stars. Also, and then I'm a Jumana City, see, and M1A. 2 joining on Sompa 93.1. Na waba Facebook or waba on the transfer window no ena ye na bibiani good stars ko mo na o mo mpe no ne mfama me na men kwe no so na men konkohwe kakra na hoso yimruram ne yɛ sɛ de ne city
say na man for a word hey
bibiani good stars ni bi up
good stars listen no
ana de fa FM de FM re na obi mu to
hey
adi bibiani good stars na good stars yɛ bi up official players with Omo register. Baku Krenua we done. Joseph Ba last season not dame de ma 11 wonders. Mpem da Costa. Former Karela, Mediema, Kotoko, Ashanti Good. Atakusi.
Hey, me pushi.
Me pushi. Muntari Shafik. Ibrahim La. Mauli Wayo. Biyom nanya wayo na. Oko na vebi o kacho zolo. Oni eyilo akara. Hey, Mauli Wayo.
You know where you
Baby up. Go stars
La Ibrahim. Mauli Wayo. 2 quality signings.
Yeah.
Two quality additions to their team. La Ibrahim. Mauli Wayo.
One of the best partnerships I mean who at the start of last season, usually at the start, was Mauli Wayo, Zubeiru, and Osman. Superb. Mauli Wayo no crowd jai. Why a pressing monster.
Mauli Wayo.
Now what Mauli Wayo? Obobo na omro.
When you 2-1 some kind of striker or Darwin Nunes. Dashing monster, pressing monster.
I know you 2-1. And our Richmond Opokumanu. Karela United. Now Karela so near one team this season almost players no key ones in the woman that's all. We are Umabasiu na contract no.
Yeah.
We are
Umabasiu cry. I mean na asem na no dey betu dra. And in the Musa Branton na
na kotoko dey say makato zone sign.
On sign.
Ivan Sadmako. Go monga.
Okay. Formerly of Kotoko.
And Enoch Agbenyo. And Joseph Dinku. And the answer now, Karela and Sonomon Sodo, the Oma signing ye. Almodio Baba be Juma. Na Hon 7 no, na said is here.
Share Evans Adomaku Dini ye pan and function against the window of Enumri. Enkusi.
Yeah. Or Johnny Omulon.
Yeah, Mr. Shea, Evans Adumakulu now or join you on nearing how the deal will fold out for getting rid of anyway.
As you know, there's some catch was empha. I do know Opa ye, Diana for command home. Is your mom tomboy. It's a transfer no Madi home command. I go monga the only time I'm just
and I'm seeing the num in the Inam.
I'm Bechem United. Bechem United. Bechem United, so no my sign is power, but the answer now, you beat me a confirm mediama Aimunu and the Kumi
of formerly of Kumasa Santa.
Yeah, na Elijah die. Ashanti good. And also I joined the Bechem United. When you go so calling nano, you need the HI say Ebeya Niamana Beko. The Francis and the Kumi Baron. And they were Remo Koyage Madama Bechem United. Be up. Diun koma akra dwama so no still metete ha me hwese re ne mesi ko me zo hwe players na dodo na sign no it tells you say this season in Premier League no mo be de pa
ensem ni bebraba na megina Adriana Football Club na media to anim anyway TF4 nyina nem say Adriana is not signing Derek Sasraku what to say sign Sasraku and Pasho discarded the woman
the only baba Majatobasi FC Samates Abbas Ganiyu Lai Smiler Emmanuel Keyeke Richard Bedu Gebo Apia Ebenezer Akwa Sido Abubakar Isaac Kafu James Sewono Enu Alone Gebo Bona Yusuf Seydou Dauda Kofi Ba Emmanuel Kwatin Frederick Kansan Boche Komodidi na ko enimu pa ebia ono so no ebe join omo bi o ba say new teams na aba no ba ko ono so ni business no ye no
It's a blend of some of the best young players on the market.
Yeah.
Any experience, and I said they bring from the Premier League experience. So many players are on meet me bobo ni na on my boy into for every young player on Mobiano. There's an experienced hander obesunumu, and then they are spread across positions. Abbas Ganiyu, Larry Smiler, Emmanuel Keke, Larry Smiler crowd on match on Bonomash 2-0 a penalty. They are playing Tema Youth. Kofi Ba, Gabriel Bonano under 17 at some point. I watched him. You know, Meniaji, Koyo Mafaso, Mutim. Again, coach, our coach, and also a big factor. In this case, Anoka, I know where Jumaye to blend these boys. Into area, most of these teams are active training. They are camp straight. Just to make sure they get the best. You know, South Asia, Nintia and Century, so Monko, Safari Valley, no Monko Tanawana, or some Joe, Konakoye, with Jumanabo, Nabibia and Timin Concan. So I'm impressed. We send a number see Coso El Samatex, no, Nimum, summer boy for the more time. Send a pressure and bomb so. Now, whilst maybe I will be and they will do Jumebiano, and the antenna could say no, I best sorry. In your 2 mile crow, near one near sign, and in the on sign, Nabibia Timia Concan.
But right now, okay, Diana issue beyond Derek
Sasaku didn't listen, sir. Sasaku didn't listen.
Now, more, sir, another meeting me be out there. No, bizarre. More, my cat in common, so I could say,
Diamana, which you buy a Muse, and you may be able to the Nakukro. Afa.
Appear my cat.
We are looking forward to register him.
Sir, but I'm molesting us to do na beba.
On Ubenya.
Oh, okay.
Ubenya.
Oh, okay.
Ubenya.
I feel no more target now, Kasana saying.
Top 4.
Balig in the journey, there is ever drinking Bonaka. A bit too much, Mobefa.
But top 4 because your new coach, you're starting new project. I feel be whom Crabby, dashing striker, Welbeck. Obebabi Bobo Nibi.
Welbeck.
Techi
Welbeck. Former Tano Bofo.
Now he's fit. Yeah. Pra Nikoto Dra. Yakoye Hunyoma, the Concran, the Bakumase, Quabruchi, Call, Baby Abi, expect Baby Bem. Nobody training you who's ever pra. Yeah. Nobody knew. Until the knee was actually giving up on him.
Your players, I nimno munima.
That was actually be not there, but you're in a similar situation with Derek Afexon. I'm on 2 weeks, I watch a training. I know. Obaya or Santi Penny be was a coach. So TS I don't know after Dr.
Facing fine player power.
Clean after Dr. Lee said, look, I do a bit to marry Hamamiana. I don't know, and I made a sign. I know what you be doing. Look, football here, heading. But
anyway, Omama protocol listing on a him kakramame. Na that mamma me kin share Kotoko list in mama. Me give Kotoko there na. Agobia. She Kotoko list in mama. Why?
There are positions where I feel the club have strengthened. And to me, it is in the right direction. Especially with the club last season on Muji League. I qualified for the CAF Champions League. You'll be wondering what kind of players no Lusu and what kind of replacement no want to remain competitive against our rivals and our other teams when it comes to winning the Ghana Premier League and the FA Cup. It will check it in. Nicolas Mensah is not necessarily a player but can say gidi oba say be a free team nim ko ba binti no oba be shame, but he's an additional quality obe create competition within the team setup. Thomas Pele omuji tumi pa say otimi bo as a left back, otimi bo as a center back or a versatile players ni bi to create squad depth. Moises Poate Abu Dhabi assistants.
Agobe Pele lo timi bo.
Hey, otimi bo as a left back, otimi bo as a left center back, otimi bo a versatile player. Then Moses Poite assistants Abu Dhabi. Dan Lada signing for 2 years. And you're likely say Kwame Ba BBO a 50-50 so better than so on. And Nkusi and Umrine be what is ever going to happen. But you need squad depth. Last season Dan Lada ne Kwame Ba pe. 2 year Dana Sebakuni Onoma, who is going to be the backup. And Kotoko needed a goalkeeper, and I think it's in the right direction. Eric Serge Zeze. Ono anamiji to me passe. Obe replacement for Kumasa Sante Kotoko losing a midfielder in the shape of Fabio Gama. Kotoko lose a midfielder in the shape of Fabio Gama. Zeze ebetimi abo as a number 8, ebetimi abo as a number 10. Very good player on the ball, good technical qualities. Me to me says a Gama ko na se unya Eric Serge Zeze amana beshima Eboa Fedasari, young goalkeeper who comes in with a lot of experience from the Ghana Premier League, playing for Accra Lions last season. Good addition for Kumasi Asante Kotoko moving forward in terms of goalkeeping aspect. Enoch Morrison last season Abra can face and what no na Mauli wayo ekọ trials so baby sasunya injury tena fie Osman nan ono so akoye bibi o ha Zuberu ko pie mu wo under 20 camp no. Enoch Morrison was the player for King Faisal, very consistent enough, and omo games be dona no mo bona no na enei ye kan kofuku ano mo boama King Faisal Timika League ni mo a untimi ni Enoch Morrison emfa ni sinchen e wani mu. And I think he did a very good job and penny experience in the Ghana Premier League. Enoch Morrison is a good addition. Stephen Mukwala also about the quality addition you need from Uganda, the kind of experience he comes in to create competition within anymore for and at the same time also amount the quality we are now Ernest Osepoku Abu in fifth you want Kotoko also need an upliftment over that particular position to go Ernest Osepoku. To me say Sheriff ni injury no obetina fi achikaka. And now checking 50 on pa Justice Blaze so koye said ba ono so na injury no went me and starting in them. Eba ko ka Agadas. Any lam temu na be chabo 50 on man kakra. So you need squad depth and you need players who beat mama the quality out here. And I think Alexo Sepoku is also there. Sheriff will also provide them with the strength about be here laterals and be here the chiro baby. I think some of the players comes in to create competition. With team in terms of the quality no more than that. But notable names are for the replacement Tomo Lusu, any positions via injuries, Eric Serge Zeze, you better Fred Asare name Moises Poate, you better about Ernest Osepoku. The Mukwala Mobe creative competition when more at the Ama in Figi and in Belamo.
Okay, Mate, Abuma me had to food there na.
Yes.
And also Bishop, if she has the animal so mammy Akrana. You that be on there cramming in a way. Bio.
Question baby sound say has Ankasan was the challenge on problem you're then.
Yeah.
Then here has problem last season their goals. Their inability to score enough goals and I'm on to defend the league title no. Or more Muntimin should be able to call us soon about could be femwa. No Ashamuntombe bra the number of games I asked a draw last season. that should clearly tell you, say, has no need the strength to score more. Junior Kaba comes in, he helps reduce that deficit. Prince Akwesi Daman comes in, he's expected to provide goals. Stephen Osei-Banahene wouldn't give you so many goals, but as an offensive player, end product, and at the end of the day, he's also supposed to do that. And then they have Zakaria Yakubu also joining the team. They signed Eric Esso to add drive. Salim Niho, Anasu Niho. Salim Niho. So Salim Niho, player now replaces Salim. No. Salim was noted for his drive. And Esso is one of those players with me driving ball free cheap maneba. You know, stylistically again, has a player obet me on the na Salim at the moment. And they feel they will get that in Esso. Minyashwa has a goalkeeping problem. It's one area of their team. Mijidis of more who they won't yepa. There's Richard Beidu, Abesenko, Samatex, Richmond Ayi on one side, Richard Atta on the other side, and then Eric Oforientry comes in. Or one goalkeeper on pair competition. He always wants to be that guy.
Oh, okay.
From Amidaus, the move Kotoko baby. Eric Oforientry, all person that go no. So he comes in and tells you that no matter what or no, you're number one. And that's one of the things I like about him. When the competition is tough on him, he would ask to leave. No, I call baby Obinyebi Ada. That's one thing with him. Now, this is where my issue is. Kwame Nakufi Befaso Amanedi has 3 top goalkeepers. It's one key area. Last season, one of the problems was that players be bring no toy and Bruni Beka said, "Oh, intimi am form am fra amo muju media and konkan pi." Benjamin York was a fine player at Samatex. He struggled in the first half, a tree in the second half of the season, and no who former. I feel no bobo ni bima has. Until ne omo aye following Kwan Ben and a coach Befasoa, obe yusu on ye ama on Jumedi and Etimia Konkan. A profile and Namiri Nimusa has Befa, a left-sided midfielder. Because of what Sulemuntari was offering them.
Yeah.
Until no to me, Nimusa at the ancient and Nankadenesi, or Sebana and the any pan and wedding. It is a house for Sebanahina. Then because stylistically they are looking at a left-footed central midfielder or offensive midfielder who can also deliver from set piece. The ball to a corner or buy a free kick or buy a bar. Na has et medium Juma Edini. And you know, we're sending assignments in this corner around 4 years Juma, but with style and profile of players in mind. Say, we na me wo, we na mini, we na me here.
Fantastic. Wiggy. Yeah,
basically, I think that this transfer period, a period that has to focus on more transfer dealings, Eventually, coach submitted a list, and then there was a certain committee, my friend, a shadow committee. Unofficially, has to focus on setting up that committee to also assist the coach in terms of the recruitment or more or money or more on here or more. So most of the players are the core, don't want no Nensanka, Anna Bebrain, so ye chomudin for listening. Ni nane say, ni season or the first full season, that was last year. The less ni players are recommended, Bebre by, one, integration became a problem. 2, meant me meet up to expectations. And no munji coach in this access here, way back. Your ratio say based on the recommended me a year, where you sound so the neighbor because or more didn't come by, now ye be a and one particular player coach a ton last season. I went to me and hit the strides, the agent in Boating. No, in a woman, left-footed player, no a playmaker or train, but Oba has a folk. It took him some time. And even with the few minutes and a few matches with young boy, he did not really impress us of folk faithful. So, So the committee had to assist the coach in terms of recruitment. There were some disgruntled players into free space. No allow new players and so Barnaba joining. And that is how come we have seen these players on board. One player, for instance, Eric Esso, from the minimum has needed come out for basically more than 4 months. Season because they knew the harsh goal situation. So now has person taking advantage of the situation. No, now or tries what the boy in the beba on a cheap. Or money harsh good kaya my impo champion a drew stage be say omunches can enfamano na boy nembra. Now has to see a skeptical says a boy ne ba no mutues kana. In the events a boy no case a workers neba na say boy neba betinefia. Would there be a refund quite number fast. So I think finally they've been able to trash out those issues. So the additions experience in Erike, so they get one of the best midfielders in the Premier League, and he comes in to support. Obe supported at a point in time the absence of Salim said the attacker, but then Obe provided a stiff competition for Nuruddin Abdulaziz, because honestly Obia say has a boy, you expect him to play. Unya Erike, one, the competition will push you to give more, and then two, Osansunya more options. Ombebo Africa, Ombebo FA Cup, Ombebo Premier League. Nuruddin Abdulaziz Achesa or fragile, or free injury no buy, no bear discovery sort of. Then Obetimia Sanswe Prabion. Erike so ye durable. Obetimia bo throughout the season.
Nuruddin cross season no crano. Menya shows over starting. Go prep.
Yeah. And the situation is Erike so ye durable. Obetimi do work the long stretch. Rarely do we hear say Erike so went to me and match way because we pra. So on to me ba a suspension. So you get a midfielder you can rely on in terms of consistent minutes. And Coach Samuel Bodu loves such players. And so when he gets the opportunity to work with him, Ebeboa Manyo met me a kind of man. And watch I say our that knack for also developing midfielders as well. Mediama on the me who the Rashid Note, Justice Blay, Richie Bodu, that 3-man midfield now no more boss in the Premier League. And it means that if you give him players or more experience, kakra, players or more qualities, kakra, on also bet me a polish more and then make them a Premier League stars and kasa. We free more for Junior Kaba. There is a big question mark on him now. Watching Zoom. Good.
Watching.
Now House of Folk decided to go bulky with Kofi Koji and far because Has Nankasa got frustrated at a point in time. Now goes number, and there were some glaring chances. This was not say and overall, the team contributions to now from so most House of Folk fans or more grow impatient. Coach Nankasa so nebu free. Then it started to bench Kofi Koji. And no cry no attitudinal issues into almost sounds so free team name cry. They have brought on board bulky strikers in watching. And now face Junior Kaba. How would they fit into the system, especially in a Cameroonian modeler Afadiama Kotoko last season, the duo of Georges Infege and Afeso Frank Mbele Tuga. Omumi no, they've raised the bar. Jenny and himself Valentinata Mobile, they were able to also complement that in terms of goals, but no overall performance. Because in terms of impact, the Atem Diano, nobody has measured up to that yet. And Junior Kaba Swabano, or Babe Tuaswa Nasa Kwakwaye situation of Mbola Sanji. That is a crucial question House of Folk fans because they will want to taunt Kotoko from somebody who normal on person say we got a better striker from Cameroon. Kotoko so person says no, Imbela is still the best because it's still around. And it will be a crucial area House of Folk will be looking to address and also augment. Junior Kaba Oba Beshem Nebefa saying House of Folk try with a bed nego tete amfa. Kofi Koji amfa. Will this one work out? Obin Junior Amon ebe sanso abebo etire anase Junior Kaba ebe ye mainstay. So these are some of the crucial questions around the House of Folks transfer dealings. But so far there, I think say solid. No munya kunedu ye adom de no, so if they finalize it,
omawie mu bibia mani za chair no tron be confirm. Omawie kunadi adom ni is hard to focus.
Honestly because it is because of that Internet say we no call Samates.
Yeah.
Until now, omo bifia pomo central defensive area, they believe ordinarily a idea din komo in terms of rating center backs Kunedu be bossro e dia say wonu mo and it say wonu ko now the Kunedu here don be shemu an upgrade as a team no we improve that particular department. So let's see how far nyoma be sia ko e dia mo omunya a better preseason omunra season mi ade ba ko edi omunya was the start to last season. Oman start this time around, will they get a good start? And we'll make me build on that to move forward. Ni na the new players are Omode Babe Ratim Nim and how the coach utilizes almost strength to contribute totally to team good.
Mate, many was all Chani a baby rabbit. You are and a foreign based players and all yet to do na bagan ye league nim Tamale City or Burkina for Obansu Atemano Monsu or Burkina for Ivory Coast for her, Obakotoko, Uganda, New Ho, Esan or Cameroon for her. Cote d'Ivoire ni so ono so adjoin omo same thing no kwa akra to folk or Cameroon ni obi a ofi Central African Republic emeze ono ni dia crabo Central African Republic como national team ni but ask for no share am fun to omo so watching omo share ask for na yedi na omo we said sa omo de betu omo but obo na share team ni
general ka o share ni nim ne dina general watching
ni nim fie na
no I'm wondering, but to your question first. Any day who be Denny. You stand up, Bruce say.
Yeah.
No Suju Kosi, ni Bombe Wake, Ibrahim Akoni. 3 solid players. National team.
Yeah.
Henry Traore.
Yeah.
Ashanti Good.
Petrus
Shiteme, no, and Namibia national team captain. I think that was not enough. Asante Kotoko Ekofa goalkeeper if you Burkina Faso, but I know a Burkina Faso.
Sulaiman Abdullahi.
What are you talking?
The late Sulaiman.
What are you talking about? Masa. Ghana history Masa Kendi. One of the most contentious issues in Sekendi about your football. Na Modibo to. Modibo to fi.
Liberia.
Until your league no dey. E china no, your bad transfer in common. Your man from this is not the first time.
Nah, I was so bad for October.
You know, they will foreigners need the one. Gabriel do that pana I can my attention has been drawn. Say, or a Ghana near no see account Heart of Lions as a goalkeeper.
Oh, okay.
Until last season about Heart of Lions no carbon till now.
No, Wasaba.
No dark ba. I agree near Osina kind of Tamale City. I said, be at me a conquer. Coverage need extensive. A 2 more.
But yeah, we need players now. Ya 4 more. Honsen Bibri, Sunshine Dome, so near the stay at Toso. One of the teams in Asha say pick more.
Fabia, was very shit. I know Danchaya. A breast e be whom ye be see. A gamble. A bit me a coye, a bit my basso and coye. Sir one talk no be tona sanction back, not as a reverse decision and the Pacona winning. Met me you to play an Asuku decision, Nebeba. Casa sent me 1 year.
I really damn is that you want to call you. A bit might be 3 years. Issued in 7 of the PFAG for the train. A bit a pass and never
contract never then. Personally, my position is that nobody should sign these players. That's my personal position.
Bishop, in the case of us, and I'm speaking to what I know. There are conditional clauses be more. In the event that case never there's the fan said the award from cast never na players no still tabord almost the contract automatically you revoke here cancel.
Absolutely.
So the club do not lose anything. Yes, I will continue if you to Yauka. So in the meantime our case no yem fa anu yem by no or the boy you bet Yauka. But the moment the decision comes na favorable the contract agreement ni bibiano automatically.
Mate mame fa college ne kakra na ojam de mi hu ntu bi de mpacho content videos na ko da sani kokodu krumono nkofu am no mbebo adwumre no matu da content videos na de korade e no matu no mu di na chi ei la nkofu de esa de ayi na mo oja obajai omu hu ni asu player da o
Omumpeu. Omunyama team no hotel no yanum mbobo.
0551931931 0551931931 0548931931 Amerina info bo abepa cho din ni baby a okasafi.
Mezabu.
Yes sir.
Okode.
Omo ye na so e.
Yakubadum. We de wa unia Robert me kasafi coach Nkransa. And me tell you what I thought to when you just say me. Mezabu o sha bro sa fa so ka. If you are doing kwa do me say it's not your free season here now. What the papa Japan here but as a talking pay for my argument Japan every time much is to papa there. I mean I am going to test now. I am what you know how to cook no. I am the tabu da so ne am here.
Ateme so bera se me pa cho din ni baby a o kasafi.
Kasafi agugu.
Ba cho meet you.
Oh, something. So yeah, no. Half to almost near to say one that some would be arrest about market.
Or more.
Yes, I do almost for special 3 months. What got up the machine?
Yo mate, Zodo Adrian Chaba. Me pa cho tin ani baby akasafi. Yere na wabo modena yetimi afa kakra ansana ya PG mu 05489319310551931931. Me ba jo tin ani baby akasafi.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon sir.
I brought you now to say.
About your man here now so.
But you know, I'm beginning this answer from Cafeteria Chance one family.
Me too.
I won't come in besides a couple of say, I can't take what to contact or my time, or my time, many players.
I'm the winner to Sona worry. Why? You can't actually why?
Okay, that's it.
For now we have a quabro. And we no more sign be see our nine players no more sign.
Safi of more Sharif Mohammed defender. Sharif Mohammed
midfielder. Among we more Sharif Mohammed defender. Sharif Mohammed midfielder. Ti beba cho diani baby akasafi.
Good evening. Baba Lajini.
Baba yango.
I'm a snake mappa. I'm going to pay for Basso. If the Yamia say players, no matter what could do Sudan. Then fire young people need support, never support to many coupons and form back. My preparation, the Champions League in the Marco. Let's recognize the books that I am a heart junior team who has to the heart team now with a couple more than I for show move. So then come with Capuna or make us a heart nagging. So from a comma show with 3-1 in the heart that couple ball in the trade. Namasi.
Martin Sumedas, my pacho Diani baby Akasafi.
Media Abu Dhabi, Media Kwame Duni, that's a surgery group shop, sports center system, new organizer like I say. Upon even more about you, that you are coming to my and you and I can't make an air deadline this Edema or the club. I'm a cell gross account to the same penny for a moment in now you and yesterday I deadline, you know, now if there won't be a play here near fine. This time, no, you can say someone who got 2 quarters a day, a book and play beyond what to do.
Oh, David, me ba jo Diani baby Akasafi.
But from my side, from Belia.
Tamitio.
What do you what I'm going to say? No matter who you are, Mona. But I said, I know the master, so Mr. Miami. My man used to be special 2-1.
Ante, me da se pa, me pa jo Diani baby Akasafi.
Abu. Just to be say about my basso, no more Jima Muye. Advice Akana, Lady Market management. Captain Nasamono.
Oh. Baba Jo Diani baby Akasafi.
Within the Adon of Mekasasi Kasem.
Ajugo bitio.
Fantastic. Ulian. Media Ganilo na me person the Kasam Kakrache, no say Utiemo dia. What the sum? So now about Kotoko now, that's some yeno. Yen Kotoko supporters in a Yanito Hopa. But the reason there was some another one, some panas, there was some now, some local area. And yes, now also some other some in there, and papa. It's a sense that Naka Kana Aka Kotokono. On to the boss, and on Sumuli. Now, at the end of the day, no, that to be and what Yapa Kotoko, but you know the Kotoko Juma. That's what the Yo say, and then. Now it's yet Crawfordy, now we talk to Coco Sa, or back to Demo. We not quite miss every record to come. Shamono, a pair of Molo Fasokoye. You see, Campton will guide the market of Cotian. So, when you first play our other a team, if you can little one night, your oil and lawyer penny, Yamani penny, they would do all say, I don't work out.
I tell you, at the end of the day, like LBC, na Yako, eti Nyamboana Nema de Dia. Yabre na yabo modi na yewram na aboa na ne ma deda yi pa etime de ama kama pa ma memfa we ewo ha me ba jo dia ne bebi akasafi
Paul Abu Mini just to be say to say the best for management say this is not the time to entertain any player so be the nakuma of say o ombo bima enyano na very focused on omo ayet omo any old ones now a war name blend because Africa no Jumanso and captain so some bima yes supporters need there ya so onko bye bye
Mate here was yambo chene beba na transfer no ye be didi de honkoma na afia boana anema dadi nti ne Ghana nyambo chene beba na ya hwesere nema isiete ti yeko na minim DJ Tofia kwa bana waba beto aso etimi ade ama
21st clinic say eba sciatica no every usisimu kono a